Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to show caller ID on iPhone or how to unhide caller ID on iPhone. Show My Caller ID is Apple's built-in feature that lets you control whether your phone number is displayed when you make a call. However, the feature only works when the service provider allows the block caller ID on iPhone's feature. Also, note that this feature can't hide your mobile number or email address when using FaceTime or other video calling apps like WhatsApp, Zoom, etc. To disable Show My Caller ID, follow these steps. Notably, it will be applicable for all calls made after disabling. To show your caller ID again, you can enable Show My Caller ID anytime using the same method. First, open the Settings app, scroll and select Phone. Here, scroll down and select Show My Caller ID under the Calls Waiting. Then, toggle off the switch next to Show My Caller ID to display the setting. Notably, not all carriers support blocking your caller ID setting. So, if you observe that the toggle is gray and you can't disable it, that means your mobile carrier company doesn't allow this functionality. When you hide your caller ID, it will show private or no caller ID, block, or something also these lines on the receiver's device, while giving someone a heads up that your calling is good. There are several reasons for you to disable or block your called ID, including the following. First, protecting personal privacy. Second, preserving the element of surprise for surprise calls or pranks. Then, keeping business calls professional. Maintaining anonymity while making important calls. Avoiding unwanted calls or spam. Preventing telemarketers from calling back. Preventing harassment or stalking. The interesting part is that you can prevent your phone number from being shown on the recipient caller ID display, either on a temporary or permanent basis, and it's free of charge. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.